Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Arizona Dreams. Today we are in East Mesa, specifically at the Eastmark development and at the Great Park, Eastmark Great Park, which is a City of Mesa park. It's tentatively supposed to be 96 acres in total right now. I think it's in at 89 point something acres. So big park and a lot to do, so check it out and join us. All right, so starting in, we got some basketball courts. And then as we start to convert over, you're gonna see a lot of this water stuff. We've gone to a couple of riparian parks. That's exactly what's happening here. It's gonna go out all the way and feed some of the waterways. We show you some community center stuff in another video, but there's a splash pad up there as well. And there's a lot of pavilions and you can reserve them and so forth. But let's go in and check some more out. So, again, the idea behind the riparian park is that this is going to help filter the water and refill the aquifers, blah, blah, blah. Check out the other video or just Google riparian parks. It's really big out here. But there's a lot of green space, which is perfect for these guys. Go ahead and run. Go ahead, have fun. And again, a lot of shade structures, which we're just going to scroll through. But some of the other things that are kind of cool out here is you see all this white picket fence stuff. That's actually a farm. And they're trying to get the community involved in the farm and let them use some of the stuff that they grow there. They'll be able to, I believe, purchase it, but look into that. Pretty cool though that they have a community farm right here inside the park. So this right here is actually an amphitheater, and I'm pretty sure you can actually reserve the amphitheater. And that's also why you have this big green space here. Basically, you would have seating out here that's like an open concert. Also part of the park is this little red and white over here. That's actually the Handlebar restaurant. So they do serve full food there. And I think it's mostly bar and grill type of food. I mentioned some of the pavilions and I think I mentioned outdoor restrooms, public restrooms. So that's what that building is over there. And then this is one of the pavilions that you can actually rent for an occasion. And again, I showed you the stream that was filling the riparian reservoirs. That's what this little lake is here. So you're getting all the natural stuff to help do the filtration, and it's, again, the idea is that this will refill the reservoir and come down to the basin. And I'm calling it a reservoir, that's probably not the right term, but the water table is underneath. We have reached the part just behind the farm that they call the Orange Monster. So that's all this piping that they've hung some webbing, some netting. It's just some really thick rope, but it's cool because it makes kind of a mesh climbing thing all through here. And then there's more playground area over there. So this is a great little spot.
Hey Mom, I'm just climbing on this thing. There's lots of different shapes up here. It is not scary. You know I'm making myself nervous because I'm scared if I'm going down here. That was easy, Mom. It was not dangerous. I was not scared.
everybody. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the Eastmark Great Park in Mesa, Arizona. Come out, give it a check around, check out the neighborhood, and just let us know what you think. You know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Ring the bell so you get the notification on the subscription. And otherwise, just check back for the next video. Take care.